Today, we're looking at SP1 silicone-based lap and seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Seam failures are often the result of improper weld temperature and/or poor alignment of the membrane. Let's look at a better way. To start, always clean the surface. A light pressure washing or scrubbing may be required. Using a roller, apply APOC 296 single-ply primer to the repair area. Once primer has dried to the touch, lay out and cut the APOC fleece top incredible tape. Starting at one end, remove the release liner and press into place over the seam, splitting the seam equally on both sides. Use a hand roller to work the tape in and ensure a complete bond. Using a chip brush, apply APOC 581 Armor Flash sealant to the surface of the tape. Apply APOC 581 a minimum of 1 inch past the tape in all directions. Now your APOC SP1 silicone-based lap and seam repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.